Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about monitoring form in between sets. Now in Large there are two major methods that people use. The first one is looking in the mirror during the exercise. The second one is taking a video recording of yourself and looking at the video after the exercise or after the set. Now I'm going to go over the pros and the cons of these two different methods, and then at the end we will decide together which one is the better method. The pros for looking at yourself in the mirror during the exercise is that you get real-time feedback. You see a problem and you can fix it right away. And that's really the only pro that the mirror has. The pros of taking a video recording of yourself and monitoring the form after the exercise is over, or after that set is over, are one, that you get to replay it as many times as you want. You can look over it 1,000 times if you need to look at the exact problem you have and to try to fix it. The second one is that you can record yourself from many different angles. When you look in the mirror, there's only so many angles you can look in the mirror from. Usually a little bit to the right, a little to the left. You can't look at all the angles. When you take a video of yourself, you can take a video from any angle you would like. The third pro that recording yourself has are the different playback speeds. There are many apps that you can download that will allow you to look at the form at different playback speeds, 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, so you can break it down frame by frame and look at where you start going wrong or look where you have to start fixing your form. And the fourth and final pro for video recording is that you have a record for the future. You can see the progressions of your movement. You can see how over a certain amount of time your movement has gotten so and so much better. Now for the cons. The cons of looking at yourself in the mirror are that your neck position is going to be messed up when you're looking at yourself in the mirror, and that can compromise the adaptation your body will have to that exercise. See, a lot of people don't notice this, but when you're looking in the mirror during the exercise to look at your form, you end up doing like this the entire exercise, and that is not the way the exercise is supposed to be performed. Most of the exercises are supposed to be performed with a neutral neck, not a neck with a sharp degree of turn. And the con of video recording is that you don't have real-time feedback. And that's really the only thing that looking at yourself in the mirror has over recording yourself with the camera or with your phone, is the real-time feedback. And here you have to ask the question, how important is real-time feedback to you? So for me, real-time feedback is not that important because real-time feedback won't be the difference between injury and non-injury. Injuries don't usually happen in that little thing that you can change by looking at yourself in the mirror. They usually happen during faster movements, during things that you can't control as much. If you're looking at yourself in the mirror and you just, arched your back a little more or tucked your elbow a little more, stuff like that aren't what will instantly cause injury, and they can wait till after the set for you to look at the video and then fix it. I don't believe that real-time feedback is that important for injury prevention. And also it gives you more to think about during the actual set. If you're supposed to think of how you're doing the exercise, plus you're also looking in the mirror to look at what you're doing wrong, this is just too many things to think about during the set. And I prefer to just do the set, look at the video after, and then fix what I need to fix. So looking at yourself in the mirror really only had one pro over the video recording, which was the real-time feedback, and I don't believe that real-time feedback is really all that important, so this leaves the video recording with 4 cons that the looking in the mirror does not have. The replaying it as many times as you want, taking it from as many angles as you would like, the different playback speeds that you can look at the recording, and the fourth one was that you have for a record for the future to see your progressions over time. So all in all, I highly recommend taking a video of yourself when you're doing that exercise and then monitoring the form after the set versus looking in the mirror during the set. Besides, these days there's hardly anyone without a phone that is highly capable of taking a very good quality video of their workout. So why not just do it? As always, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions or recommendations for future videos, please comment below or email me directly. As always, it's been a pleasure.